Let's get some lightning, shall we?
Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hill, lived my old Babby, and he had him a steel. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. Then he filled him a jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, Babby's corn squeezing. Shoo!
Wild lightning. Well, the G-Man, T-Man, revenues too, searching for the place where they made this brew.
They were looking,
Trying to book him, but you gotta keep him cooking. Ooh, wild lightning. Well, I asked my old puppy what he'd rather breer. Wild lightning steered as a Mountain Dew. I take a dip in a round of wind new, but my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning tried to flash and thunder started crashing. Shoo! Wild lightning.
where the G-Man, T-Man revenues too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my Babby kept on cooking, saying, shoo,
Wild lightning.
Well, the city sickler came and said, I'm tough, I wanna taste that powerful stuff.
He took one suck and he drank right down. I heard him on the hit, then he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, Poppy's corn squeezing. Shoo! Wild lightning. Better G-Man, T-Man, searchers do, searching for a place where they made his brew. They're looking, trying to book him, but the Poppy keep on cooking. Shoo! Wild lightning. I love George Jones.